The two-wheeler manufacturer Bajaj launched its new product from the iconic brand, Pulsar 125cc at a competitive price in Nepal. Pulsar 125, which is assembled in Nepal by Hulas Autocraft, entered Nepal a few months ago. HH Bajaj, the official distributor of Bajaj motorcycle in Nepal, launched the 125cc model in three different colors: solar red, neon blue and platinum silver. Pulsar is one of the most popular motorcycle brands in Nepal. The launch of the NS model won the heart of millions of customers, and we can still analyze the craze among youth. Similarly, the Pulsar 220F brought the same excitement to the customers and was widely accepted by all age groups of Nepal. You can say by a number of Pulsar tags seen on the road that it indeed covers a massive portion of the market. The brand might continue to maintain the portion or even make it wider with the launch of powerful 125cc. The motorcycle is claimed to have the company's most affordable price with segment-leading features. If you were thinking about buying a 125cc motorcycle, watch this video at the last. Pulsar might be the best option for you. The major details of Pulsar 125 are analog digital instrument meter, 5-speed gearbox, neon and matte edition, sporty looks, top speed of 110 km, mileage of 60 kmpl, clip-on handlebars, wide tires and affordable price. For more informative videos of bike and cars, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And without further delay, let's start today's topic. The first point to be noted is design. The Bajaj Pulsar 125cc brings amazing design features that might wait on its competitors. Pulsar 125cc first of all comes in a dual tone neon colors and it looks amazing. The Pulsar and 125 logo are embedded in a rubber finish, unlike other models that comes in metal finish. The external featuring twin tone neon decal, a muscular tank with an aerodynamic fairing makes the motorcycle look sporty. Not just it, the wolf eye headlamp, stylish twin strip lead tail lamp and alloy wheels enhance the sporty character of the motorcycle. The matte finish and black alloys on the body even gives a 125cc motorcycle a premium feel. If looked at the motorcycle without noticing the 125 logo, one might easily confuse it with Pulsar 150. Almost all elements of the Pulsar 125 are identical to its sibling Pulsar 125, such as chassis, suspension setup, digital speedometer and tire, except for the engine and minor details. Basically, the Pulsar 125 is a stylish and powerful motorcycle with elements of 125cc at an affordable price. Bajaj offerings on the Pulsar 125 has raised the bar high for the whole 125cc segment in the market. Now, moving forward to the performance of the Pulsar 125. The Pulsar 125cc is the most powerful 125cc bike in its segment. It is powered by a 124.4cc twin-spark TTSI engine that generates a max power of 8.6 PS at 8500 rpm and max torque of 10.8 Nm at 6500 rpm. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox and it holds a massive fuel tank capacity of 11.5 liters. The curb weight of the motorcycle is 140 kg, which is slightly heavier than its competitors. The bike is set to top speed at 110 kmph and provides an estimated range of 60 kmpl. The seat height remains to be 785 mm. The dimension of the bike measures 2055 mm, 755 mm and 1060 mm in length, width and height respectively. For safety, Bajaj brings its 125cc motorcycle with a 240 mm ventilated front disc brake, clip-on handlebars with 31 DIA front fork and 1320 mm wide wheelbase. At the front, 80 by 117 and rear 100 by 1917 tubeless tire of the motorcycle proved to be thicker than its competitors, making the ride safety turn on the curved road. For excellent day-night visibility, Pulsar 125 boasts of a light beam at all speed. Coming through braking duties for Pulsar 125 Neon are handled by 240 mm discs on the front and 130 mm drum at the rear. The bike also uses a telescopic front fork with an anti-friction boost up front and twin gas shock at the rear. The counterbalance and twin gas shock rear suspension help to reduce the vibration at high speed. At last, we all need is price. The lovers of Pulsar 125 Neon will have to pay Rs 2,34,900 rupees to purchase the beast. 150cc features packed in 125cc motorcycle with an incredible design and power at such an affordable price is a game changer in the industry. For the latest offering of Bajaj, Honda Shine will be the top competitor in the market. There might be a slight dilemma to choose one between these two, but it solely depends upon the priorities of the customer as both motorcycles come with the excellent features. Consumers who seek a vehicle for a short distance commute could choose Honda Shine as it has 4-speed gearbox with a simple yet elegant design and runs smooth. But for those who need to travel a bit longer distance, 20 to 30 km daily, and prefer a vehicle of sporty character, then you can go for Pulsar 125. If you guys want to know about the upcoming color variants of Pulsar 220F, then don't forget to check out our description. That's much for today's video. If you guys love this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.